The only cure is to stand on your head and drink a glass of water. Whoa!
Oh, let me help, or I'll never get any sleep. Now let's get you into those boots. Hey, this is gonna work. Then we'll both get some sleep. Trust me.
Okay, I trust. Oh, Ferd!
Stop moving and drink the water, man!
Woodpecker.
Get off of me, you... Wait a second. Aunt Fern used to cure her hiccups by holding her breath. Hey, Wally, buddy, I know how to stop your hiccup-duper poopers.
No way, Woodpecker. Your antidotes are too dangerous. I'll cure myself.
You couldn't cure a ham, Wally. Hold your breath. Hold it. My Aunt Fern swears by this remedy. That's it, Wally. Hold it right there. Hey, Wally, say, Wally, what time you got, Wally?
Well, it's 1:45. Skunk!
Hold this and your breath. Hold it, Wally. Hold it. I promise you don't want to whiff of this stuff. It worked, didn't it? I broke the curse of the hinkle-hoopa whatchamacallits.
Coop. Oh, that does it. Stay away from me, Woodpecker. You're a curse. You're worse than any hiccup-hoocters.
Okay, fine. I know when I'm not appreciated. Good night. What's it gonna take?
Boo. Ah, Ferd. Boo. Oh, Ferd.
So, he wants to scare the hiccups away, Well, then I'm just what the doctor ordered.
Oh, it's no use. Hiccup. 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 Oh, the end is near. Oh, at least I still have you, my pride and shining joy.
Scaring him doesn't work. Holding his breath doesn't work. Drinking water upside down doesn't... Wait a minute. These heekin' poopers are so bad. Maybe I gotta do all 3 cures at once.
Woodpecker, no! It is the only thing I got left.
The sun's coming up, Wally. Neither of us has slept a wink. I'll let her drop if you don't stop the hiccups! Holding raft, check. Inflatable raft, just add water. Okay. Drinking water upside down. Okay, that should do it.
Say, I'm from the Book of World Records, and I hear someone has a record-breaking case of the hiccup-hoocters.
That'd be him.
Well, if they're truly record-breakers, I'd like to present the lucky victim with this check for $1 million!
$1 million? Why, sure. He's got the super-duper hiccup-hooper thingies, but I'm his agent, and I'll need a cut of that cash when he...
You get nothing, Woodpecker! I give you a world record hiccup-hooker. Yeah, you bet. Okay, guess I'll go see about that guy on Maple Street who can whistle with his toes. Wait, yeah, please. Wait, no, wait. I can do this. Just wait a minute, just wait a minute. I know I can do this.
Well, at least now I can finally get some shut-eye.